Hello and welcome you all. Dear students, today our topic is lines and angles. It's a chapter related to geometry. So let's learn about some important definitions of geometry. First one is line. It is a straight one-dimensional figure. That means it can include only either length or breadth or height, only one dimension. It has no thickness and it can extend endlessly in both directions. You must remember it has neither beginning nor an end. So that is why we choose two arrows at its extreme points. They can go up to infinity. We can represent a line by AB and putting a line and a line over them. Or you can represent it by BA also. Number two, line segment. It is rather important than a line. It is actually the portion of the line. Suppose if we have a line, we cut a piece from it. Suppose we take 5 centimeter. That 5 centimeter is our line segment now. That means if we have a line AB, if we cut XY from it, so XY is our line segment of the line AB. Number third, ray. A ray is a line with only one endpoint. That means it can go infinity at one side only, other side is fixed. So PQ represents a ray. Now let's talk about the angles. What is an angle? It is a figure formed by two rays with common endpoint. Here ray OA and ray OB have a common endpoint O, and you must remember this O is the vertex of the angle, and these rays OA and OB are said to be the arms or even legs or sides of an angle. Dear students, you must remember that the measure of an angle is the area swept by the arms of an angle and is measured by the geometrical measurement known as protractor. So you can measure any angle by using the help of protractor. Now number 5, acute angle. It is an angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. We call it as acute angle. Number 6, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. A right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree, we call it as a right angle. Number 8, straight angle. An angle whose measure equals 180 degree is known as straight angle. Dear students, you must remember our line is also a straight angle that makes a straight angle, and the measure of the straight angle is 180 degree. Now reflex angle. If the measure of an angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, we call it as a reflex angle. Number 10, complete angle. An angle whose measure equals 360 degree is known as a complete angle. Dear students, a circle makes a complete angle whose measure is 360 degree. You should remember this also. Now there are something else. They are important. 11 point, complementary angles. Whenever we add two angles, if their measure adds up to 90 degree, so we can see that they are complementary to each other. Suppose if we have one angle as 40 degree and another as 50 degree, if we add both of them, 40 plus 50 is 90. So we can say that they are complementary angles, and 40 is complement to 50 degree and 50 is complementary to 40 degree. 12th, same as complementary, but the difference is that the sum should be 180 degree now. That means if you add two angles now such that their sum equals to 180 degree, so we can say that they are supplementary angles, like 120 adding with 50, so adding with 60, so they form 180 degree. So we can say that they are supplementary to each other. And at the end, adjacent angles. Two angles with same vertex, one arm in common and the other arms lying on the opposite side of the common arm are called adjacent angles. Dear students, O is here the common vertex and OA and OC are opposite arms to common arm OB. That means in angle AOB and angle BOC, OB ray is common to both these angles and OE is the common vertex. So let's do our recap exercise. Dear student, it is easier one. Let's have some questions for you. First question is, we have to fill up an angle whose an angle has dash vertex. How many vertex it has? We have earlier stated that it has single vertex O. Just consider this figure AOB. Here O is the only vertex and it has two arms as well. So the answer lies here. An angle has one vertex and an angle has two arms. Do C and D part by your own. Question 2. We have to draw some angles here: 75, 210 degree, 120 degree and many more. Dear students, you have to use the protractor here. So what you have to do, you have to draw a line, then use the protractor and mark the point where 75 lies and then join that point with the vertex. That will become your angle. Just try them and do the rest part by your own. Dear students, if any student have problem in drawing angles for them, or you can check YouTube, you can check there how to draw these angles, or we can send a link where you can check. Thank you.